Hi, good morning and happy Saturday. Happy weekend. Hope everybody had a restful evening. I got a little pineapple juice. I woke up thirsty. I had my water, but I'm still thirsty. What did I eat yesterday? Oh, the burger. I don't know. Whatever. I got my cold coffee today. And let's see, I'm gonna whip it up. It's a little chilly this morning. It's in the 30s. But I think it's gonna go up like really, it's gonna like kiss 50 almost today. So I don't know. I haven't bought anything in years. Okay, my daughter hooks me up with clothes, gifts, and everything. I made a little omelet. I made a cheese omelet. Omelet. And I had a roll in the freezer that I forgot about. I figured I might as well use them. A lot of birthdays today. I mean, every day's a birthday. I picked Gene McFadden. He sings with McFadden, and I forgot. He was a duo. I forget. I love that song. Ain't no stopping us now. We're on the move. Peace, love, and coffee. Good morning. Got my pineapple. I find that good music helps us deal with bad things. Good music helps me deal with bad things. I start singing a song and my problems don't go away, but I feel better. And somehow, in time, they're not as bad as, I thought they would be. So I put a little of that baby Swiss in there, one slice. If I had a piece of ham, I would have put it in there. But I didn't buy ham. I bought water and seltzer yesterday. Is that all I bought? Oh, and the cupcakes. That's what I bought. I should have bought some ham, but it's another day. Maybe today I'll take a walk. It's not that bad. I want to tell you that I made the sausage and the sausage and what do you call it? Coleslaw this morning. It was easy. I had the little package of soy sauce. I had the frozen garlic and the frozen ginger. I threw in frozen peas. Because peas and beans, to me, I just throw them in everything. And I'm going to try it today. I think I have some rice. So I'm going to probably have that for lunch today. Oh, my goodness. Today, a little history lesson. In 1985, the American recording artists, all the people under the contract with American Recording, they got together and recorded We Are the World. Do you remember? I love that song. Oh my God. Cyndi Lauper, Bob Dylan, please. Prince. They were all fabulous. Tina Turner, I think, was in there too. George Michaels, maybe? I think I was into MTV or something those days when my daughter was. And we used to watch the video. I love it. Love it, love it. We are the world. Today, 1985. Time flies. Have fun. Stay hydrated. Get something good to eat. Buy the shoes. Go out. Stay home. Life is short. Fill your soul with joy. Because it really crazy. It's crazy out there. Anyway. Who else's birthday? That kid Elijah, that actor. Oh. Barbie Benton. Who remembers Barbie Benton, the Playboy? She was so adorable. How old is she now? She was born in 50. What's today? 23. She's 73 years old. She's older than me. 2 years. I'd love to see what she looks like. She must look great. She was so cute. I don't know if she ever married Hugh Hefner. I hope not. Anyway. Stay hydrated. Get something good to eat. Fill your heart with a song. Fill yourself with a song. And hydrated, get something good to eat. Enjoy the weekend. It's weekend, it's Saturday. Time to change the bed. It's all good. Okay, talk to you later.